Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a smoked buffalo chicken dip on the Memphis Wood Fire Grill. So the first thing that we want to do is get the chicken started, and we're using boneless, skinless chicken thighs for this recipe because they're a little bit fatty, so it will give a ton of flavor. We're gonna start by trimming some of the extra fat off the chicken thighs, and then we're gonna season generously with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Bird Boost. We're gonna set the grill to 225 degrees smoke mode. We wanna give the chicken thighs a good amount of smoke, but we don't have to worry about cooking them all the way through because we're gonna finish them off in a crock pot anyways. So the chicken has now got a good smoke, so it's time to remove them from the grill and put them in a crock pot. Then you want to cover them with some chicken broth and then cook on slow overnight. So the smoked chicken thighs has now been slowly cooking overnight in the crock pot, and it smells amazing in the backyard. So it's now time to remove the chicken from the crock pot, and then we're gonna shred the chicken by hand. If you want to, you can add a little bit of the chicken broth into the mix as well, because we want the shredded chicken to be really moist. Then we're gonna mix 4 cups of the shredded chicken with 16 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of hot sauce, and I like the Frank's RedHot Original, and 1 cup of buttermilk ranch dressing. You also wanna add 1 cup of shredded Mexican style cheese blend. Then you wanna mix all these ingredients thoroughly. And we're gonna set the Memphis Wood Fire Grill to 350 degrees. When the grill is up to temperature, we're gonna spoon the buffalo chicken dip into a shallow baking dish, and then we're gonna sprinkle some blue cheese crumbles on top, about a cup. Then it's time to bake this for about 20 minutes or until the mixture is completely heated through. Last but not least, before serving, we sprinkle with some chives. And that is how you make the ultimate party dish, smoked buffalo chicken dip on the Memphis Wood Fire Grill. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try the dip and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Oh, come on. Good heat, the cheesy, it has a lot of that blue cheese flavor as well. This is super, super tasty, man. I hope you try this at home. This is so great. Happy grilling. Oh, man. Party!